What's going on, everyone? Welcome to the channel. Now, hope you've all had a really good day wherever you are in the world. And today we're just going to do a little bit of technical analysis on DOT for you. Now, just to start, we're on the weekly time frame here, and I'm just going to make this really simple for you all to understand, just to give you a bit of an idea of where DOT may potentially go within this next week and so on. So to start, if you can see, DOT in the last few months has been pushing up, and of course we've had this really big pullback into this area of support, but to me this looks healthy, and if anything it's a good correction for DOT, because if you understand how market structure works, you'll understand that basically how the price has been moving. It's been putting in higher highs, higher lows, higher high, and what we can see here now is that price has pulled back into this higher low, and we've not had any candles closing bearish below this structure and below these candle body lows, which you can see here. And this to me looks really good, because you're respecting the structure of the market, and we're staying within a bullish pattern basically, because let's say, for example, price pushed down like this, okay, and it broke and closed below the structure. That then to me would signal that we are potentially going to get that correction within the market and start pushing back bearish, because that's the way that market structure works. But in this case, what we can see is that price is actually respecting this area. We're getting wicks from this area, which you can see there, and price is starting to push back bullish. So to me, what I will be looking for now, if we just drop down onto the lower time frames, and I'm going to go onto the 4H for you, the 4 hourly candle time frame, what I am looking for, just to give me that confirmation that price is going back bullish, is what I want to see is a break of this area here. Now, I want to see a break of this area here, because like I've just said to you how market structure works, what we can see here within this downtrend on the 4H, what you can see is a lower low, a lower high, a lower low. And then what you can see is prices push back into it, and then we've consolidated. So anything below this 4H lower high, like I said, on the weekly, the market structure is still bullish. But what you've got to understand is that within these time frames, different basically structures are going on within them. And of course on the 4H, as you know, and other time frames, it's been pushing down. But for me, just to get that confirmation now that price is actually flipping back bullish, I want to see a break of this lower high here. And if we get a strong break above this area here, then you can start saying to yourself, okay, well, price has been pushing bearish, but now we've broken out of structure and potentially seen a reversal in trend. Because a lot of time, when you look at the charts, and you can do this for yourself, you can go back test, when you start breaking out of structure, that then is a clear indication that price is going to start flipping from being bearish to bullish. And then you can start going from there. And until proven otherwise, until let's say the market does start pushing bullish, until proven otherwise, you're going to be still bullish until the market tells you different. Now, of course, sometimes you do get a breakout and a break back in, and that will get a lot of traders. But, technically speaking, the market moves in certain ways. And if you break out of structure, you will then get a good indication that price is basically flipping in the opposite direction, if that makes sense. Now, I have done some videos in the past about price action, but it's been a while, and I want to bring some fresh content to you all about how to understand the markets and the way that the markets move, and then you can start making good, clear understandings for yourself and start learning yourself. And of course, that's the goal. You want to learn how to read the markets and the structures and the way things are potentially going to be in the future. Now, we're not psychics. We're never going to be 100% right. And, this is our best way that we can read the market structure without it being complicated with indicators. I don't use indicators. I think that my eyes are the best indicators because you can clearly see what's going on. Looking at the volume within the candles, looking at the structure, where's price moving, where's momentum, which side is it on, is it bullish, is it bearish, all these things. You don't need indicators. Your eyes are the best indicators that you can basically have. So yeah, that is my verdict on DOT. I will be looking closely at where it's going. I am a holder of DOT, and I do believe in the project, but just to talk about the structure and the price action, this is my thoughts. And yeah, that's basically it. You can see, it's looking good. We're sticking within the structure of this weekly uptrend. And of course, on the 4H time frame, I'm looking for that break now out of this reversal on the 4H. And I'm looking for the breakout, retest, and then continuation, and see where we go from there. And hopefully then we can get a nice run up back to these highs where we were and beyond. Yeah, nothing more to say about that. Hope you enjoyed that one, everyone. We'll be doing more videos, like I said, educational videos breaking down the current price action, market structure within certain cryptos, forex, whatever that may be at the time when I feel like there's something valuable to put out there for you all. Take care, everyone. Enjoy the rest of your days, and I'll see you all in the next video. Cheers. Bye-bye.